English version mathematics class 5 chapter 6 number 13. In a shoe shop, it was announced to sell shoe at a discount of 26%. Manoranjan bought 2 pairs of shoe for 2,590 and 3,108 taka. Then A, what was the actual price of each pair of shoe, and B, how much money did he save buying shoes? Then we number A, actual price price of 2 pairs. Pair 1 equal to, and discount was 26% discount. That means now price is 74%, equal to 0.74. Then 1 pair bought 2,590 divided by 0.743500 taka. Pair 2 was 3,108 divided by 0.74. Equal to 4200 taka. Then total saving number B, total saving actual price was 3500 plus 4200. That means 7700. And he bought price was 2590 plus 3108 equal to 5698 taka. Then save 7700 minus 5698 equal to 2002 taka. Insert 2002 taka. Thank you.